let me give you one advice. All these young youths all in the name of 100 days fasting and prayer. He will want to contact. My brother, I'll advise you. Chiluta mi jidina never joy for y'all. Happen all these things. Happen yeah. If any now I don't know all bad country, but if any now manunamaro. Only ka isona all these young youths. Naga putam na. Mom 1 year just tailoring fire case me bake case me cake even dozo. And no kana kusaka. Na say na family bele Wednesday, bele Thursday. Wrap those things no bad government till ginya. Ndo cha amaro maka bele Wednesday na Thursday. Aka gumo na ga eme ofuma. So only we a young guy. Obala na agba na aru. He didn't allow no kasi na 100 days fasting. Sorry for you.